Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously, and today I wanted to share something with you guys. In this box I have something that's gonna be part of my gaming corner, which I already started kind of building, but I just wanted to show you guys what I have in this box here. You guys can start guessing now in the comments down below what you think it's inside, so start guessing. Okay, time up. Let me show you guys what's inside. Now, this guy that's inside here was released back in 2001, November of 2001. So it's 17 years old, correct? 17 years old. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. And it's the first ever Xbox. If I break something. So this is the first Xbox that was ever released from my knowledge. Yeah, this is the first Xbox, and it's gonna be part of our gaming corner just for sure, but trust me, it works. Although I don't have any games, it actually runs. Now I have the whole machine, and I also have the remotes and all the other cabling. Now for you gamers out there, I want to know which one was, let's take it out of the box, which one was the first machine, which one was the first console that you guys actually played or ever played. My first one was the PlayStation 1. I remember I used to come out of school and go straight to my friend's house to go play Street Fighter. Was it Street Fighter? No, Taken. To go play Taken on PlayStation 1, and it used to be really fun. So this is the Xbox. I don't know if this was called the Xbox One. Let's do some Googling. Okay, it's called the original Xbox. They call it the original. So the original Xbox was released on November 15 of 2001 in North America, February 22, 2002 in Japan, and March 14, 2002 in Australia. Again, it doesn't say if it was released ever in Africa or not. Shame, we're always the last ones. But anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys the Xbox, the original Xbox, which is gonna be part of the gaming corner. Although I'm not gonna be using it much, it's just gonna be like a deco or something that will make the setup look nice in that corner. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned to see the Xbox, the original Xbox, on my gaming corner, which is probably gonna be done soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Give this video a like and throw some comments. What do you think of this video, or what do you think of the original Xbox? If you're wondering where I got this thing, I got from someone on Facebook shopping. There's a Facebook market on the Facebook app. I searched for it, I found it, and I got it. So this is gonna be it for this video. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Peace.